Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Suite App. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise is looking to automate content creation and streamline marketing workflows, Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Suite promises advanced AI-driven solutions, but does it meet the demands of large-scale teams? On the positive side, Neuraltext offers a comprehensive suite for content generation, SEO optimization, and marketing automation. Teams can create blog posts, social media content, and add copy quickly using templates, while integrated SEO tools help optimize content for search engines. Enterprises can manage multiple projects simultaneously, track content performance, and maintain consistency across campaigns. The platform supports collaboration among marketing, SEO, and content teams, ensuring workflows stay efficient. Large enterprises often see reduced content production time, better alignment between marketing channels, and improved output quality. However, there are drawbacks. Neuraltext relies heavily on suggestions, which may require human editing to maintain brand tone and accuracy. Enterprises with highly specialized content needs may find the less effective without proper input or training. Pricing at the enterprise level can be significant, especially for large teams with multiple users. Most people get this wrong. They think alone guarantees high-performing content. The surprising truth is that Neuraltext is a tool, not a replacement for strategy, planning, and human review. Without these, generated content may be efficient but not impactful. In conclusion, Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Suite app is ideal for enterprises seeking to accelerate content creation and optimize marketing workflows. Its AI-driven content generation, SEO integration, and collaboration features make it scalable for large teams. With strategic planning and editorial oversight, Neuraltext can become a central tool for enterprise marketing productivity and growth.